How to transfer to Binance Web3 wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just open up your Binance, then go to your wallet, and you can do that by just clicking on the bottom right hand side corner. And after that, you will be able to find the option of a Web3 wallet at the top. Just simply select it. And this is how you will be in Web3 wallet of Binance. Now over here, we need to click on this option of transfer. Now, if you want to transfer from your Binance spot or funding wallet, just select it on the from section, and on the to section, your wallet is selected. Now select the coin that you want to transfer from your Binance. Like currently I have AXS token, which is for XC Infinity, and I will also select the network. Just select any of the network. Since BEP20's fees is quite low, so I will select this one and then click on confirm. After that, just simply click on this option of transfer. Now after that, just click on the max option or any of the amount that you want to transfer and click on withdraw. Click on confirm, and withdrawal will be processing, and you would be able to receive this amount in your Binance Web3 wallet from your Binance. And in case if you want to transfer crypto from any other wallet, then just simply use your option of receive. Then select any of the crypto that you want to receive. Suppose I want to receive BNB, so I will select BNB over here. Then I will be provided with the address. Then just simply use this particular address in order to receive crypto on your Binance Web3 wallet. And this way you would be able to receive crypto on your Binance Web3 wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.